See that car on top of the building over there? I'll get back to that. Today, I got this bus. It's a party bus. And they said get a parasitic drain. So that's what I'm dealing with today. I'm gonna need to charge this battery. It look like I got 10%. So let's see where this drain coming from. Then I get back to the car on the roof. I got this party bus. It's supposed to have a parasitic drain. Got all these sounds hooked up. Let's look back here under the sink, right? Watch this. Well, I need some light. Down in there, they get a battery, a few amps, amp over there, another amp right there, kicker box, subwoofer. But that battery is totally isolated from the alternator. So how is it going to charge? It's not even hooked up to the rest of the bus. Somebody put it back here and just hooked all these sounds up and then think about it draining and how it's going to recharge. So that's a problem in itself. We'll get back to that. The other thing is that air conditioning up there doesn't work. So somebody decided to put a house air conditioning in the bus. And if you come around to the other side, the heat gonna come right over the driver's head. What kind of crap is that? That's a net gain. Huh. TV right there. Hey. So this is a Ford E350. And they got a cutoff switch on the negative side, which they painted red, the food people, and the thing is a positive. But this is actually the negative side, and this is the positive side. Nobody thinks about cutting it off when they're gone. So that might be the source of the drain itself. We'll see in a minute. It's supposed to be a third battery, but I gotta find it. Okay, I found the third battery. Down up under here. Underneath. I just got all them circuit breakers that they go through. I don't know why they got so many. They ain't even used them all. Yeah. Over here. It's over in here. Oh. I gotta make a diagram somehow. See this cable over here? Right here on the negative side, which they painted red. They got that going down. Come over here. Look at this here. They got it going right here. This is that cable. The negative cable is supposed to go to the block close to the starter. They got it right here on the spring shackle. I gotta fix that right quick first. This the hard part here. Getting this battery straight back up. I gotta line it up with these bolts. Alright, so now I got the new battery in. I'm about to check to see if there's a draw or anything. So I got my amp clamp, multimeter. I got a lot of fuses to check just in case. Over here I got this, all them fuses. Oh wait, that ain't all. There's a box up here, because we don't know where this drain might be coming from. There's a box up here with fuses in it too. Well, I gotta cover all them just in case. And there's another fuse box down there too. Got another fuse box under here. I gotta check all them fuses and see. I'm gonna use the old-fashioned way with the multimeter. But first, let's see if there's a drain. So if I got 1 amp per 100 millivolts, that's actually not bad. That will come out to 0.5 or a little more than 0.5. Actually, I think it's worth investigating. I'm gonna go across every fuse, see what I got. These big fuses, major fuses, nothing. You know what I hate about Ford? They don't label their fuses. It's one of the things I hate about Ford, man. Nothing. In this fuse box up here, I checked all the fuses with the multimeter. Didn't find nothing with it off. It looks good, you know. So everything is pointing to that bad battery. That might be it, you know. So we'll see. I got the new battery in it. I'm gonna take a chill pill for a couple of days and come back. Well, actually, the customer gonna probably start it tomorrow morning. It's getting kind of cold right now. Got to go. But the new battery is in, so we'll see what happens. So basically, that's all it was the battery. The other battery underneath was bringing down this battery, making it a parasite. So they changed the battery. Now everything's fixed. Everything's done. Whoever did this last, they thought this was the only battery, but this is not the only battery. They didn't think about the other battery underneath. So the case of well, now the parasitic drain is gone, all over a battery. See that car up there on the roof? It's been up there my whole life, and I'm 60. This used to be a machine shop, but it's been abandoned for years. And they left the car on the roof. I used to bring my cylinder heads here. I don't know what kind of car it is. It looks nice. So yeah, this place is abandoned now. It used to be called Ellison at one time. And it's got a sign up there that say Windy City Machine Repairs. It's been abandoned for years. I used to bring my cylinder heads here and other stuff to get worked on way back in the 80s and the 90s, the late 80s and the early 90s, and on up to about 2000 or so. But I tried to Google and everything and try to get information on how they got the damn car on the roof or how long it's been there, and I couldn't find nothing. If anybody got some information on this, leave it in the comments below. I like to know.